Hi, let's solve a new question. 5 over x minus 4 plus 8 over x plus 1 equal 3. You have to find the value of x. So first, we see the denominator. We take the LCM of x minus 4 and x plus 1, which is x minus 4 times x plus 1. So we multiply the numerator in x plus 1 here and x plus 1 here, and the second term we multiply x minus 4 numerator and x minus 4 denominator. So we got 5x plus 1 plus 8x minus 4 over x plus 1 times x minus 4 equal 3. Now we use the distributive law here, so we just multiply them. 5 times x, which is 5x, plus 5 times 1 will be 5, plus 8 times x will be 8x, minus 8 times 4 equal 32, over. Now we multiply that x plus 1 times x minus 4. We're using here if while method, which is first, outer, inner, last. So first we multiply that x times x, which is x square, and then x times minus 4, which is minus 4x, plus 1 times x will be x, and 1 times negative 4 equal negative 4, equivalent to 3. Now we simplify the like terms. So 5x plus 8x, which is 13x, minus 5 minus 32, which is minus 29, minus 27, sorry. So we take them 32. Now we see the denominator x squared and negative 4x plus x, which is negative 3x, negative 4, equal 3 by 1. After now, we cross multiply them. So 1 times 13x minus 7, which is 13x minus 27, equal 3 times this one, we got same thing, x square minus 3x minus 4. Now we arrange them, all of them in a left side. So, or right side maybe. So we add negative 13x both side, and we add positive 27 both side. So this one cancel, we got right and side, left side 0 and x square, negative 3x, negative 13x, we got negative 16x plus 23. So this one we are getting a quadratic equation, which is x square minus 16x plus 23 equals 0. Now we got this quadratic equation, x square minus 16x plus 23 equals 0. So we are using now quadratic formula, which is x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now if you compare with this equation with the ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, that means negative of negative 16, which is 16, positive negative b square, negative 16 square, so minus 4 times a will be 1 and c will be 23 over 2 times 1, Now if you simplify that, so 16 plus minus square root of negative 16 square will be 256 minus 92 over 2. Now we simplify that. So, so we got 256 minus 92 equal 164. If we putting them, which is 16 plus minus square root of 164 divided by 2. Now 164, let's factor them. We got 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 2, 4. And again, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 1, 2. So it will be 16 plus minus square root of 2 times 41 over 2. So we got 16 positive negative 2 square root of 41 over 2. So now we can write then 16 by 2 positive negative 2 root 41 over 2. Now 16 divided by 2, which is 8, positive negative 2, 2 cancel, so you got a square root of 41. So we got our two solution. One is x equal positive 8 plus positive root 41, and we got another solution which is 8 minus the square root of 41. That's it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel. Give me your support.